Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. Going to do a short video today on replacing the gas cap on my John Deere L130 mower. I'm the second owner of this mower, and I think it was originally built in like 2004. Of course it's 2020 now, so this gas cap is the original, and so that makes it about 16 years old. I noticed about a week or two ago that I was starting to see black pieces of like a rubber material in my gas tank, and there you can see some of them. I probably need to flush my gas tank, but I've been able to pick out the major pieces with a grabbing tool. And I'm also going to replace my filter to see if there's anything trapped in the filter, maybe, or before the filter. You should replace that periodically, or maybe every year or two anyway. So most of it's broken off here, so it's definitely lasted a long time, I would think. So here's a new one I purchased. You can see the difference. And I got it at my local Seidenstricker company, which I think is the largest parts dealer in Missouri. I live here just west of St. Louis. It was $6.87. I also bought a filter. Like I say, I'm going to replace that, and it was $5.41. So a total of $12.37. Keep an eye out. Always look down in your gas tank. I always like to look to give me an idea how full it is. Of course, you have a little viewing window. At least I do, on the underneath the seat, which tells you the depth, or the how much gas you have. But this is the bag it came in. But it's best to look down in there, because eventually it's going to fall apart like mine did. So anyway, hopefully this was of some use to you, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me some comments. Go to Harrison4803 for my channel. I've got nearly 300 videos up now, a lot of them DIY. So this is Old John signing off.